Hey guys, Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair back again to do another tool review / demo for the Stanliner new hybrid crane sword tool that they have out, which is, I gotta tell you, I think they really knocked it out of the park with this one, as they normally do. If you're familiar with this tool here, this is the crane tool. It's a classic Stanliner tool, just known for its big swoop here, which allows you to really get in there and get the meat up out of a relatively deep dent or shallow dent very quickly and cleanly. Great for also going down into tight areas and twisting as well. And then if you're familiar with this one, this is my absolute favorite of all time. This is the sword, classic sword tool. Just tremendous drive from this 1/2-inch shaft and tapers down to this really awesome tool tip here, which leaves an amazing finish. If you're not familiar with these tools, highly recommended if you're just starting to get into PDR, or if you're just starting to collect tools from the Stanliner line. This is my absolute first choice right here. This is my all-around, probably everyday tool from them. So recently they sent me this one here. This is the showcasing of the Stanliner hybrid crane sword tool here, 1/2-inch drive. This is the longer version here. I believe this one's a little over 40 inches. But I gotta tell you, what an amazing tool, and you'll see why here shortly. All right, so there are several ways we can use this tool. The first method would be the traditional pushing technique, starting a dent off with the rounded heel side. Great for hail dents, starting them off and then flipping the tool around and using that sharper radius of a tip, just kind of finishing it off. And you'll be amazed at how clean and fast you can move some metal. And we have a smashed left rear door in this Acura. A lady was entering her garage and she caught the entrance there. And we're going to show you how we would use this in a twisting fashion, getting behind a brace. And you'll be surprised at the amazing amount of power that's behind this tool, just because of that 1/2-inch shaft that's driving that tool tip. Going up inside a brace is great, right through that wiring harness. Also going through the wiring harness right in the center of the door there. Great for pushing, starting off with the crane side and then finishing with the sword side like you're seeing, and then down into a brace, twisting. It's really powerful stuff. Normally, you use a whale tail and you get down into a brace, and you're kind of limited as to how much power and drive you can use. But man, you put these things down a door or in a wiring harness hole and you start twisting, man, the power is amazing, and how clean you get it is definitely a noticeable difference. We're just working on this door here, just twisting and pushing, really fine-tuning things and reversing this damage for this customer here. Got another happy customer in the end. I did this repair about 50% of the way with traditional knockdown work, and then the other 50% was done with this tool, the crane sword hybrid. So I leave you with this. If you have Stanliner tools just sitting around, you're not using them, maybe because you're unsure of how to use them, just go ahead and send them off to me. I'm just kidding. Pick them up, use them, and get acquainted with them. They're going to make your life a lot easier. You're going to notice a big difference in the way you're pushing metal and how clean and fast you can repair dents using these tools. You can pick up the Stanliner crane sword hybrid tool at stanlinertools.com, along with plenty of other amazing creations from Kaz himself. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day.